Okay, so I think CMPL they're doing a great job. Firstly, it's a fantastic platform because if I want to scale up my business, uh, I would be lost. I wouldn't know where to go. I wouldn't know whom to approach. I would also have a doubt on credibility. See, whom should I trust? But CMPL being the platform that they have created, I think it's very commendable to bring so many credible contract manufacturers on the table where people can go meet them and grow their business. I think it's a fantastic initiative. The desire to be open to change. The world is changing at a very rapid pace, much faster than we realize, and it's very important that we are agile and we are quick to notice the changes and even quicker to respond to it. So that I think is the mantra. So I see a lot of potential in CMPL. I think it's still at the very start of its journey. There is a much bigger scope because it's not just about contract manufacturing is one part, but the moment you have a certain set of people wanting to come to CMPL looking for solutions, there are many more solutions you can provide them, not just manufacturing. There can be financial services, there can be consultancy services, there can be R&D. So the CMPL should probably look at itself as a platform where it can enable companies and individuals to scale up. And I think that will really be its true potential. I think encouraging, because I feel encouraged, that there are platforms. I mean, there are so many young entrepreneurs who want to do so much, and many of them would get lost. Many of them wouldn't find their way. But having such support systems in place, and CMPL is one of them, it makes me feel very encouraged that yes, there is a good future for this as well.